All right, pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. We're going to go with 6 on this one. There we go. Dane onto lap number 2. Get a little loose in the chicane section. That was a 38.5 for Dane. Dane has just been climbing the ranks. I think he started the day in about the number 50 position. Then we jumped him up to about 40th. Then inside of the top 30. Now he's 20th overall. And I think this is a TQ run. I say that in the past. That was a TQ run for him. At least move him up that ladder. He is on his lid, as is JTFPV, who is running second in this thing on his lid. So we started with 6, and we're cutting grass with a few. Turtle mode saving a few, but we're down to 4 here. Another 40 seconds still to go. So now we look to Wreck Shop as your leader, but that wind is causing some difficulty with him out by the dive gate, working his way up to the top of the tower. He's going to be in a little bit of a battle here with Professor XDC towards our tornado tower. Now I think Professor XDC might be our leader coming through here. No, it's going to be Tommy Pezzino first. Tommy Pezzino now moving on to lap number 3, and here comes Professor XDC. We got some 50s. We got lots of time here. 10 seconds to go. End of the race. 7 seconds still to go here on the master race clock. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2, 1. It'll be a checkered. The next time they cross over our Soaring Sky start finish gate up at the top of the board, as we will await Tommy Pezzino, Professor XTC to round out lap number 3 for them. And for JT, or for Wreck Shop to get his final lap in as well. We are down to 2. We just lost Professor XTC. So here we go across the line with Tommy Pezzino. That'll be 3 laps in 2:28 in that run. Well, 1 more to finish, guys. Wreck Shop working his way around the tornado tower and back through our tunnel up to our Soaring Sky checkered line up in the skies. It'll be 2 laps in 2:41 for Wreck Shop. And that is it and all. Let's retrieve some quads. Which one?